My two-wheel drive 06 F150 was making this noise while turning. Turns out it was just a bad wheel bearing, so we just popped this cover off, and the nut that holds the spindle on is right there. Please do not reuse it. It gets tightened to 300 foot-pounds. It says do not reuse on the nut. Unfortunately, my half-inch wrench only goes up to 150, so I had to get a bigger wrench, and I had to go up to a 3/4 drive. This one from Harbor Freight's 400 bucks. We can do better than that, though. Get you a digital torque gauge and just a regular 3/4 inch ratchet. Luckily, my mom found this one on the side of the road, so we're going to use this. The bigger drive pairs to a 36mm axle nut socket and use a jack stand underneath the wrench to support the head, because you're going to have to stand on this wrench. Anyway, now we got this sick 3/4 inch wrench for those activities, and we're going to rebuild the old spindle with a new bearing and grind, and now I got this cool 3/4 inch hammer.